Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cyber threat intelligence with recorded future, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize cyber threat intelligence using recorded future, start by creating your recorded future account. Once registered, log in to the platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its main sections. Explore the threat intelligence feed, which is a central feature of recorded future. Begin by selecting relevant data sources for your organization. Customizing your sources will ensure you receive tailored threat intelligence. Next, navigate to the Intelligence Cards feature. These cards provide detailed insights on specific threats. Utilize the search function to find intelligence related to particular threats or vulnerabilities. Make sure to filter the results based on your organization's industry or interests. After locating valuable intelligence, analyze the context provided within each intelligence card. Look for indicators of compromise, which can act as early warning signals. Consider integrating recorded future with your existing security tools. This integration can help streamline your threat intelligence workflows. Next, set up alerts for high-risk threats that pertain to your organization. Alerts will keep you informed of emerging threats in real time. Take time to review the training resources available on Recorded Future's platform. These materials can enhance your understanding and usage of the tool. Collaborate with your team's cybersecurity professionals to assess the intelligence provided. Regular discussions will help contextualize threats and improve your response strategy. Implement the actionable insights gained from Recorded Future into your security operations. Finally, continuously refine your processes based on the evolving threat landscape. Monitoring and adjusting regularly will ensure your organization remains protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.